Okay, hello guys, so this is the Redmi 10A, and in this video I will show you how to bypass the unlock bootloader for the Redmi 10A. Okay, so if you don't want to wait for 7 days or your phone has been bypassed by account, you can use this tutorial, and it should work on any MIUI or Android version. And in this video I'm using the latest Indonesian version firmware. Okay, from here you can install Magisk. From Magisk you can install helpfull, smiley patcher and other stuff, and you can also use the 64-bit custom ROM if you want to. I've already made a tutorial about it before. Okay, disclaimer: bypass unlock bootloader or always have risk, so do it with your own risk. Okay, so all the file and step I'll provide in my blog. You can check the link in the description box. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. We meet again with Bob, and this time I have the Redmi 10A. So in this video I will show you how to do bypass UBL or bypass the unlock bootloader. Okay, or the other name is unofficial unlock bootloader for the Redmi 10A. Okay, first thing I need to do as usual, show you the exciting system. Let's go to the settings right here. And you can see right here I'm using the MIUI 12.5.11 and Redmi. Okay, this is the latest Redmi 10A for Indonesian region. You can see right here the Android security patch is August 1, 2023. Okay, the spec doesn't matter because you can use it for the 3GB, 4GB and other stuff. Okay, first thing I want to show you is the bootloader status. Okay, to check the bootloader status, we need to enable the developer option. So hit the MIUI version 5 times and then go back, scroll down, additional settings, developer option, and we can see right here MIUI unlock status is still locked. Okay, so we need to turn it on like this, and next I also want to show you the bootloader status in the Fastboot mode, so you can be assured that this phone still locked. Okay. Okay, reboot the phone and press the volume down. Okay, now let's plug the USB cable right here. Okay, now let's check the bootloader status. I'm switching to the desktop. Open the PowerShell or CMD. Let's type Fastboot device. Okay, Fastboot device. This is our serial number, KFD blah blah blah. Okay, now let's type Fastboot get for all. Okay, dandelion and unlock no. Okay, it means that the device has not been unlocked. Okay, and now let's reboot again to the Android because I want to turn it off. Okay, next, so we need several tools right here. First thing we need is the bypass unlock bootloader, like the open tools or MTK GSM Sultan and other stuff. Feel free to use the one that you like. Okay, and we also need SP Press tools. In here I'm using the version 5.1916. okay, and also the driver. You need to MediaTek driver, lip USB and USB decay. Okay, will provide all the stuff in my blog. You can check the link in the description box. Okay. And next, for this method, we need to downgrade. Okay. So we need to downgrade to the version 12.5.1. Don't ask me why. Okay, because this firmware just worked to bypass the UBL, the unlock bootloader. Okay, I will also include the link. Just open the firmware and extract to folder. I have put it in here. You can see I put it in here. Extract all the stuff. Okay, and next step, let's open the open tools right here. I guess, sorry, I forgot to mention, your Windows will read the open tools as virus. So first thing you need to do is disable the Windows Defender. Okay. First, go to the Windows security, first threat and protection, real time off. Okay. And like usual, some of the guy will comment it's content virus. So if you're not certain enough, don't use the tools. Okay, very simple. I'm using the tools and it's safe for my computer. Okay, let's open it again. And okay, and go to the MTK universal right here and hit the disable SLA right here, and it will show you the waiting for USB. First thing you need to do is turn off the your phone. Okay, and then press the volume up, volume down at the same time, and then plug the USB cable. Okay, let's try it. And we can see right here, out bypass successfully. Okay, disabling watchdog, hardware code, and blah blah blah. Okay, next step, let's open the flash tools right here, and I already load the schedule right here. So if you need the location, just navigate to your firmware, go to the image folder and copy the path right here, and select schedule loadings, hit the choose button and paste the path. Okay, and select the MT6765 and check the pro reloader. Okay, and now hit the download button right here. It will start the process. Okay, now it's already done. You can see right here the process only takes about 2.5 minutes. Okay, let's close this one and minimize it, and now let's try to turn on the phone. Okay, I will try to boot it first to the Fastboot mode. Okay, now I am on the Fastboot mode. Okay, so next step, we need to open the open tools again. Let's close this one and open the apps one more time. Okay, select MTK universal, and now let's select the unlock bootloader. Okay, waiting for USB, and like usual, we need to force reboot the phone, and then press the volume up, volume down at the same time, and block the USB cable again. Okay. Okay. I'll give you a tips. Okay, you can reboot from here. Press boot, reboot, and after you press enter, select press the volume up, volume down, and plug the USB cable. Okay, let's try it. Okay, we need to press the 3 button. Okay, it seems that we have to press the 3 button at the same time. Cannot do just volume up, volume down. Okay, and you can see right here, well done, all process is done. Okay, let's minimize this one, unplug the USB cable, and try to turn on again. Okay, let's go to the Fastboot mode again, because I want to show you the bootloader status in the Fastboot mode. Okay, let's type Fastboot get var space all and here we go. Unlock, yes. Okay, it means that we have successfully unlocked our phone. And from here I want to reboot to the Android, and you can see right here when I reboot the phone it starts boot looping. Okay, it's showing us the error message right here, and then reboot again. Okay, so we'll try to fix this one. Okay, now let's boot it again. The Fastboot boot, press volume down and power button at the same time. Okay, now let's try to fix the M30 error message right here. Open the PowerShell and open your stock firmware folder. Go to the image folder right here and find the VB meta. And now let's type the command fastboot dash disable dash verity space disable dash verification flash VB meta, and just click and drag the VB meta right here. Okay, hit enter, and now we need to reboot the phone. Okay, I will show you the Fastboot serial number one more time. Okay, same as like before, KFD blah blah blah. Okay, and now let's reboot again the phone. Let's put space reboot, and from here I will skip this video because it takes time. I will show you the bootloader status in the settings, and also we're going to try to flash Magisk. Okay, now we are in the home screen. Okay, let's go to the settings right here, about phone, and we are now on the MIUI 12.5.2. Okay, let's hit the MIUI version 5 times, go back, find the additional settings, developer option, and you can see right here now our device has been unlocked. You can see right here, unlock status unlock. Okay, the OM unlock also disable, so you cannot turn it off. You can lock again, but from the Fastboot mode. You can make sure to disable the automatic update. And from here I want to enable the USB debugging because I want to test flashing Magisk. Okay, we're going to use the Fastboot method because it's more simple. Let's use the command line adb reboot bootloader. Okay, it will reboot the phone to the Fastboot mode. Make sure that you have already enabled the USB debugging. Okay, and from here, okay, let's check the status. Fastboot device. Okay, this is our serial number, same as before, KFD blah blah blah. Okay, now let's modify boot image, Fastboot space Fastboot space, and just click and drag the Magisk pads. Okay, sorry, wrong type. Okay, when it's done you can reboot again to the Android, and let's so we can check the result. So now we are in the home screen again. Let's open the Magisk. Okay, and you can see right here now we have successfully installed Magisk. Okay, from here you can enable the Zygisk, Enforce DenyList and other stuff. Install X, LS pose, smiley picture, and etc. Okay, let's open the root checker. So okay, I already opened the root checker right here, and you can see this is working. Okay, super user request, nice. Okay, so open the left check. Okay, Redmi 10A and Redmi 11 stock firmware, and device is rooted. Okay, very nice. So that's all, guys. I hope it helps you, and if you want to buy me coffee, you can check the description box for the PayPal, Patreon, and so yeah. Okay, so take care, see you on the next video, and wassalamualaikum.